This is Lesson 2, Chapter 2, Mesopotamia. Early on, Mesopotamia consisted of city-states of Sumer in the south and Akkad in the north. The people of Sumer and the Sumerians and of Akkad, the Akkadians, were actually quite alike. They practiced similar farming and business methods and had similar customs. They were alike except for their language they spoke. But they both practiced polytheism, which is the worship of many gods, and they worked hard to keep these gods happy. The Sumerians and Akkadians believed that the gods and goddesses were responsible for their well-being. If the people of the city were enjoying peace and prosperity, they believed it was because the gods were pleased. Each city-state worked hard to keep their gods happy. Sumerians believed kings were chosen by gods and passed from father to son. So if someone was king, they believed it was by God, and that this would pass on through father and son over generations. This is a picture of a ziggurat. A ziggurat consisted of a series of stacked rectangular platforms that form a huge pyramid-shaped structure, reaching a height of up to 290 feet. Ziggurats were believed by Mesopotamians to link the heavens to the earth. Here's another picture of a ziggurat. And this is actually a representation of the Sumerian gods that they have been found throughout Mesopotamia. About 3200 BC, Sumerians invented writing. This was called cuneiform. Here's a picture of some of their different symbols. And this was the first system of writing that was ever invented. The Akkadians conquered or defeated one city-state after another, overthrowing many kings. Sargon united all of these city-states of Mesopotamia under his rule, forming the world's first empire. And an empire is a large territory consisting of many different places under the control of a single ruler. So Sargon's empire extended far beyond Mesopotamia. And later, legends grew and grew about Sargon, and that's one of the stations you can go to, is the legend of Sargon and what people believed about him. So here you can kind of see all of the territory is what he conquered in this world's first empire. That is the end of Chapter 2, Lesson 2.